But what I'm going to do now is just switch to the 4T. And I think you'll find this really cool for those of you that have got the Matrice 4T thermal imaging drone. And as you'll see, things just sort of change a little bit here. So we want to move now from the visible light into either infrared. So if you click on this, you can say you want it to detect items that have a thermal temperature 60 degrees or greater. And again, your alert interval, and you can choose your palette. As you know, you've got lots of different color palettes that you can use, which help you in the identification of items of interest when you are normally flying. And then the photo storage setting will do IR, but you can also add visible, and you can also select an action like we had before. And everything else is the same. What you can do, which you may find really useful, particularly there was one person that's a member that was talking about looking for deer in forests, etc. And you can actually go for infrared object detection. Now, when you're looking for animals and things like that, you're probably not really that interested in people as such. What you might be looking at is a moving object. So any sort of moving object. And that will be where we want the detection to be. So it could be an animal, a horse, a deer, a lost dog. And you can set your warning threshold for that certain object, your moving object. And you've got one palette to choose from here, which is the white hot. So these are things that you can test with your Matrice 4T, and I think you'll find it really, really useful. So what I'm going to do is just move back now in the top center to the Matrice 4E, because that's the drone we're going to use for this test. So we'll just go back to the Matrice 4E,